In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Then select Face Recognition and enter your current login method. When you're ready, click on this icon next to Enable Raise to Wake to turn it off or on, and hit Get Started. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then you can manage all of those options, and when you finished, click on Home button. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!